The new H-Series showcases NZXT's vision for modern PC building. The H700i, H400i, and H200i feature a unique cam-powered smart device digitally driving RGB lighting and fan performance. You can effortlessly control RGB lighting and fans via the cam dashboard, while adaptive noise reduction optimizes your build's acoustics through machine learning and ideal fan settings. It comes with Air F fans and integrated RGB LEDs to enhance the aesthetics of your build seen through the stunning tempered glass panel. The unique smart device includes features from our Hue Plus and Grid Plus V3 digital controllers, allowing for effortless control and RGB lighting and fans through CAM software. Customized lighting is streamlined with integrated and individually addressable RGB LED strips. Don't waste time checking compatibility, installing and manipulating physical buttons. Our out-of-the-box, elegantly controlled CAM software is all you need. The H-Series is available in 4 combinations to match your taste, and its elegant all-steel construction is shared across all sizes. The tempered glass panel and signature PSU shroud showcase beautiful builds. Cable management can often take more than assembly. We designed a new cable routing kit and pre-installed channels and straps on the back of the motherboard tray for intuitive and easy wiring. The H-Series layout ensures you enjoy building your PC as much as you enjoy gaming on it. We simplified water cooling installation with drop-in brackets and integrated reservoir mounting for custom loop systems. Air F fans are included for optimal internal airflow to preserve your system's clean looks, front and PSU intakes are fully filtered. Storage installation is a snap, with quick-release 2.5-inch SSD trays on the PSU shroud. The H-series cases comes with support for 2 additional 2.5-inch behind the motherboard tray, and mounting for traditional 3.5-inch drives. This storage layout optimizes airflow and interior space for a clean-looking build. Our unique adaptive noise reduction uses an onboard noise sensor to measure and learn the speeches of your system to find the ideal balance between fan speed and cooling. With up to a 40% reduction in fan noise level, you won't need to waste time designing custom fan curves. Leveraging machine learning to improve its results, this will ensure your fan settings are always optimal even if you change hardware. Please visit NZXT.com to learn more about the new H-series.
One of the most popular cases we've ever designed here at Corsair is our Carbide Series Air 540. It had an active cooling chamber to cool your CPU and GPU, and a passive chamber on the rear for power supply cables, PSUs, and storage drives that didn't need as much cooling. But because we believe you could always do better, this is the spiritual successor to the Air 540, the 680X RGB. It shares the same dual-chambered layout as the Air 540 with an entirely new and refined look. There are 3 floating tempered glass panels on the front, the top, and the side, so you can show off your components and fans. But these glass panels will not obstruct your cooling because we've designed a huge gap between the panel and the case so you can get plenty of airflow. On the I/O panel, you'll find the standard connections plus a modern update with the USB 3.1 Type-C port. The 680X side panel swings open so you can easily build a new PC or just upgrade your existing one. In the front of the case, you can mount up to a 360mm radiator, on top and bottom up to 280mm, and even a 140 in the rear. And because you just spent a ton of cash on a brand new graphics card and you want to show it off to yourself and your friends, you have a 90-degree GPU mount in here so you can mount it vertically and look at it in all of its glory. But my favorite feature of the dual chamber design is that it is cheat mode for cable routing. You can use that second chamber to hide all of your cables while your first chamber stays fresh and clean looking. In the rear chamber, you can mount up to our AX1600i PSU, as well as 3 3.5-inch drives and 4 2.5-inch drives. Every 680X RGB comes with the Lighting Node Pro, which gives you full control over the RGB lighting of your system with our iCUE software. With iCUE, you can choose from dozens of built-in lighting profiles, or you can create your own. The Air 540 was a very successful case, but I think that the Crystal Series 680X RGB improves upon it in almost every way. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.